Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Chrome itself is current, because many messages stem from outdated behavior. Once done, go to Settings and disable site notifications to stop permission prompts. This prevents most unsolicited messages. Next, enable the pop-up and redirect blocker and immediately remove any unrecognized exceptions. You should also clear cookies for sites that keep showing prompts, since stored flags can retrigger messages. These first steps reduce noise and make later, deeper fixes faster and more reliable. Now you dig into permission hygiene. Open site settings and inspect camera, microphone, location, notifications, and background sync. Change any Ask entries to block for sites you don't use. Once cleaned, reset permissions or clear site data for repeat offenders so they lose the ability to prompt again. Make sure extensions are minimal and trusted, because extensions can inject dialogues. Audit them monthly and remove anything unnecessary. These actions stop persistent, permission-based messages at their source, so Chrome stays quieter. To finish, turn on Enhanced Protection in Safe Browsing so Chrome blocks deceptive prompts automatically. This reduces harmful message types. If unwanted messages persist, create a new Chrome profile, run a trusted anti-malware scan, and reset Chrome settings to default. This removes hidden injectors. Make sure to test in incognito to see if the issue reproduces. If the problem stops, migrate bookmarks and passwords carefully. And remember, the key troubleshooting tip is to scan for malware before trusting any persistent fixes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.